Welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. In the last video, we learned how to add a password to a Word document. But what if you no longer need the protection? Today, I'll show you how to remove the password from a Microsoft Word file. Step 1. Open the password-protected document. Locate and open the Word file that's already password protected. When prompted, enter the password to gain access. Step 2. Click on File in the top menu. In the top left corner, click the File tab to access Word's Backstage options. Step 3. Select Info. From the left-hand panel, click on Info. This section shows current protection settings. Step 4. Click Protect Document. Step 5. Select Encrypt with Password again. Click on Encrypt with Password. You'll see the existing password already filled in. Step 6. Remove the password. Delete the password field completely. Leave it blank and click OK. This disables password protection on the document. Step 7. Save the file. Press Ctrl+S or click the Save icon to update the file. You can also choose Save as if you want to keep a backup of the password-protected version. Step 8. Test the file, optional. Close the document and open it again. You should now be able to access it without being asked for a password. That's all. You've successfully removed the password from your Word document. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials. In the next video, I'll show you how to add headers and footers in Word. Don't miss it.